May it please your lordship. My lords, this review petition comes in, my lord, in regard to the order which my lord was kind enough to pass on the 21st of March, my lord. Now, in particular, my lord, let's have a perusal at para 36, 39, 41, 40, 41, wherein the review has been sought. First, I'll take my lord to the particular paragraphs, my lord. At page 29, my lords, of the order is in continuation. With my lord's permission, please permit me to read. In the present case, petitioner is not challenging the selection process. I'm so sorry. Selection process, but his challenge is to non-adherence to the methodology which was required to be followed by the selection committee in terms of the statute as contained in Annexure P4, and that being the admission made by the registrar on an affidavit that no marks were given for interview, then there is a tacit admission that the statutes were not followed in letter and spirit, and that being so, the selection from the stage of interview needs to be declared to be null and void. And in terms of the judgment of the Supreme Court, the Tajveer Singh Sodhi and others, Supra, as extracted above, the matter is required to be remitted to the expert committee to conduct interview and grant marks. From here on, adding the marks
marks will not be added.
preliminary assessment meet.
Accepted. Marks will not be added for the post of assistant professor.
So that is at the screening. Wala.
Screening ke marks assistant.
That requires, I said obliged to my lords. The second would be, my lords.
Because they are to be added only for the post of associate professor and professor.
Very right. So far as screening ka hai wo, short listing ke liye, for the interview ke liye. Right, sir. Right, sir.
Guidelines abhi dekh liya.
Perfectly fine. Now we come to para 39, please. I stand obliged to my lords. At page 30. Before parting, it is necessary to point out that the expert committee and the EC were also not acting in proprietary by recommending the name of respondent number 4, Babita Yadav, under the OBC category, when she had admittedly filled her form under the general category. This aspect too will be kept in mind by the expert committee and the university, that the forms which were filled by the candidates at the initial stage, meaning my lord, opening it right for all 147, not for the 39.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. चलिए, आगे बढ़िए.
This is as we have understood.
No, you have wrongly understood. It does not mean that. It simply means that the category under which form was filled, only under that category that
clarify to that extent, please, my lords. And the next, my lords, would be para 40. The same thing. The fact remains because the cutoff date wasn't there, my lords. It was a rolling advertisement which went on all throughout the year. That is what, because Babita subsequently amended. The fact remains.
She cannot amend the.
The fact remains that after the cutoff date, with due respect, it is.
Even if it's a rolling advertisement, that means that it is not rolling, it is open advertisement. Unless and until you are able to fill all these seats as were advertised, that validity of that advertisement will continue. That means that candidates are not required to apply again and again. I'll clarify that.
Right.
But that will not entitle a candidate to change her category, which she has mentioned initially.
No, I'm not on that. Category change ka nahi. We say that because if we have a perusal, because the cutoff date jo likha hai, sir, when we have a look at para number 36, my lord, it goes a little contrary, because where we have said from the interview, and this goes from the initial stage. And next, my lord, is 41. My lord was kind enough to say that we are required to pay the cost of litigation.
Yes.
Now, where do we deposit? Where do we remit?
Pay the cost of litigation to the petitioner. I'll clarify it.
That was sometimes legal aid services mein hota hai na.
Legal aid का तो हम specific लिखते हैं. Cost of litigation जो है legal aid में नहीं जाती है.
नहीं, हमें cost का मतलब आजकल because high court bar में आ जाता है. I'm sorry, with that thing.
I'll clarify all the 4 points. ठीक है,
That's what it is.
फिर तो पूरा चेंज हो जाएगा.
कैसे
इसका पहला ये कहना है कि असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर में प्रिलिमिनरी असेसमेंट के मार्क्स नहीं जोड़ेंगे. That is wrong. लॉर्डशिप में काइंडली हैव अ लुक एट पेज 28.
पेज 28. जब बाकी 3 पे तो ठीक है ना आपका?
बाकी 3 पे भी ठीक नहीं है. बबीता यादव ने ऑलरेडी रिट अपील की हुई है. दे कैन नॉट कैनवास द कॉज ऑफ बबीता यादव, मतलब दैट विल बी डिसाइडेड इन रिट.
नहीं, ठीक है, उतना क्लैरिफिकेशन कर देंगे हम. ठीक है ना? चलिए, अब पेज 28 बताइए क्या है? 28 ऑफ रिव्यू पिटीशन. हां, रिट पिटीशन, रिव्यू पिटीशन. रिट पिटीशन.
इनका कहना है कि मार्क्स नहीं जोड़ेंगे, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर के लिए तो जोड़ेंगे.
और बताइएगा.
दैट इज द क्राइटेरिया प्रिस्क्राइब्ड. पेज 28 में सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर, ओवरऑल सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर.
इलेक्शन इज
Read out this. Read out this.
जी.
Clause 6.0.1.
6.0.
This is applicable to all. Your lordship may kindly refer to the selection procedure. The overall selection procedure shall incorporate transparent, objective, and credible methodology of analysis of the merits and credentials of the applicants based on weightages given to the performance of the candidate in different relevant dimensions and his/her performance on a scoring system pro forma. Your lordship may kindly
ठीक है.
On a scoring system pro forma based on the academic performance indicators API as provided in this regulation in tables 1 to 9 of appendix 3. Now your lordship may kindly see appendix 3.
Yes.
Next page 29. इसमें फर्स्ट पोस्ट है असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इक्विवेलेंट कैडर स्टेज 1.
अपेंडिक्स 3. यस.
इसमें देखें सिलेक्शन कमिटी क्राइटेरिया वेटेजेस टोटल सो एंड सो. इसमें एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड एंड रिसर्च परफॉर्मेंस
इसको ऊपर से पढ़ेंगे. मिनिमम स्कोर्स फॉर एपीआई for direct recruitment of teachers in university departments /colleges, librarian / physical education cadres in universities /colleges, and the weightages in selection committees to be considered along with other specified eligibility qualifications stipulated in the regulation. जी
सब इसमें देखिए अगर जो फर्स्ट पोस्ट है असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर
जी
इसमें दिया हुआ एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड एंड रिसर्च परफॉर्मेंस 50%, then B assessment of domain knowledge and teaching skills 30%,
जी
and for interview it is 20%.
The selection committee, my lords, please. I'm sorry.
Let her come.
I'm
Let him come.
I'm sorry, I'm
I'll
sorry.
come back to you.
Right, right, right.
So this argument, my lord, that this preliminary assessment, my lord,
जी
which is based on a scoring system of up to 80% of marks, my lord,
जी
that is applicable only in the case of associate professor is not correct.
एक सेकंड रुकिएगा 2.5 मिनट से कर दीजिएगा
Research document निकालो।
जी
वो है,
प्लीज
उसमें
कंटिन्यू हाँ
It is applicable, my lord, to all the posts, including assistant professor.
Section
जी
ये
Now, based on this assessment, my
petition
lord,
का
जी
the university issued suggestive guidelines, my lord.
जी
Those suggestive guidelines I have filed along with my rejoinder. my lord.
Yeah.
जी
Now, in the suggestive guidelines, my lord, the procedure for grant of marks, my lord, on these parameters, that is provided. That is provided, my lord. That your lordship has taken note of, your lordship may kindly have a look at the order, my lord.
जी
Order
ये
for-
REJ2 है ना आपका ये गाइडलाइंस
जी।
हाँ इसको देखिएगा
Now, your lordship may kindly have a look at the order, my lord. I will not trouble your lordship with that, my lord. Your lordship may kindly have a look at the order.
नहीं इसको REJ2 को देख लेते हैं
देख लिया पूरा ऑर्डर में लिखा हुआ है, इसलिए that will be
बोल देंगे।
make your lordship
एक सेकंड रुक जाइएगा
15/5/24 order.
नहीं why I am saying this why I agreed to her proposition because there are two different things please try to understand and if I have wrongly understood please clarify it in another matter which came before me it was canvassed and there was something in writing that UGC says two different things one is that on the basis of the API which is almost a self grading card persons will be shortlisted to be called for interview
Right.
that is part one. That's why I readily agreed. She had not briefed me earlier. It was some other
I'm
case.
sorry, I'm sorry.
that is-
I thought I'll do that today, which I was not able to do yesterday.
आपके लिए कुछ नहीं कह रहे भाई आपके लिए
No, so we always subject to all corrections,
बात
sir.
सुन लीजिए उसके बाद में वह जो 4 कैटेगरीज हैं उनके अंतर्गत इंटरव्यू पैनल को मार्क्स देने हैं 50% वेटेज देना है आपके एपीआई स्कोर को 30% देना है
इसमें
जो
लिखा है।
दूसरी कैटेगरी है और
इसमें लिखा है ना,
20% इंटरव्यू के
Selection
परफॉर्मेंस
procedure में।
को लेकिन जो
इसमें
यूजीसी ये कहता है
लिखा
कि जो आपके जो मार्क्स पहले बनाए गए निकाले गए हैं दे आर नॉट टू बी एडेड क्योंकि दे आर नॉट टू बी एडेड ठीक है
टोटल स्कोरिंग सिस्टम पे होगा ना, अदरवाइज तो जो पहले 2 स्टेजेस के मार्क्स हैं दैट विल बिकम रिडंडेंट.
Interview
So
stage.
academic record is also to be
वो
seen.
यूजीसी का मुझे
सर
मैं
इन्होंने
6.0.1 देख ले सर, वेरी क्लियर UGC का
6.0.1 ऑफ
at page 11
एनेक्सर
that is हमने अपने पेज के हमने पेज किया।
पे पढ़ा वही
Page 28
6.0.1 सेक्शन P4 का 20
सेकंड पैरा पढ़ लें सर उसका, सेकंड पैरा 6.0.1 जी
6.4.1
0.1
0.1.
जी
The overall selection procedure shall incorporate transparent, objective, and credible methodology of analysis of the merits and credentials of the applicants based on the weightages given to the performance of the candidate in the different relevant dimensions and his or her performance on a scoring system pro forma based on the academic performance indicators as provided in this regulations in table 1 to 9 of appendix. Just read. In order to make the system more credible, universities may assess the ability for teaching or research aptitude through a seminar or lecture in a classroom situation or discussion on the capacity to use the latest technology in teaching and research at the interview stage. So at the interview stage, the experts, my lords, and that is the domain of the selection committee becomes very clear at page 12. Selection committee criteria, weightages, academic record and research performance, assessment of the domain knowledge, teaching skills, and interview performance. So it is on and on the selection committee being a statutory body. The first is just a screening body, could be department, and later we had the regulation which came in 2015. Then we formulated certain the guidelines who would be in the screening. That is for shortlisting for the purpose of interview. It doesn't because in para 5 point something in the writ petition, they say that I scored the maximum, and even if these marks are catered for, I am on the highest ladder, and I should have been appointed even if the interview marks were 0. This is the sum and substance of submission. And our submission is there are 2 stages. One is a scanning by the screening. And at that point of time, we didn't have any regulation. Subsequently, it came in 2015 and which is on record now, my lords. And insofar as the selection is a statutory body, which is also there very much in our statute. And in pursuance, there are all the experts. We filed all the documents, my lord. The experts were sitting. And at the time of interview, my lord, all these things can happen. And this has happened. Now, para 5.10 of the writ petition, my lord.
But even the composition of both the committees are different, my lord. The screening committee has a different composition.
And that's
The
department.
selection committee, my lord, has a different composition, my lord.
Experts.
Yes, my lord. And the screening committee, my lord, is constituted at the level of the university only, my lord,
Right.
which has provided the numbers for the screening. And the selection committee, my lord, is as per the UGC regulation, my lord.
But we have filed the IA, my lord.
Chancellor as a chair.
IA number 10979 on 21st of May, wherein we have given everything. Who were the experts who took care of these?
Forget about those experts. We have seen their conduct. They did
Sir.
not chose to give marks. They thought
Millets,
that
Millets.
no, that conduct was not proper.
What I'm trying to say, my lord, is
Ji.
the two are two different bodies, as said.
See,
my lord.
that is fine.
Right. So they cannot be intervened or
I said
interlinked.
somewhere that these experts should not be involved in future. I've said it because their conduct is already on record that they thought that they are above the system. They are not even required to give marks. And their recommendations, as if they are professor like Amartya Sen, whose recommendation alone will be sufficient to gain a Nobel Prize or admission in Oxford or Cambridge.
My lords, we have filed the list of those people, my
We have
lords.
seen that, and probably I have commented also on it.
No,
And
we
they should not be. They should not be.
A3, along,
We have registered
Malad,
against the vice
no, no.
chancellor, my lord. He was the chairman of the committee, selection
हाँ,
committee.
उसको छोड़िए, वो issue नहीं है।
A3 में
अभी मैडम 3 issues है, पर उसी को concentrate करते हैं. Let us not deviate.
से इनको कम ना करे से इन लोग अच्छे
होंगे, लेकिन उनका जो कंडक्ट है वो अच्छे लोगों वाला नहीं है. एक आदमी तो बोलता खड़े होकर कि जो है भाई मार्क्स तो देंगे हम, आपको फेवर करना था संजय अग्रवाल जी को, आप उनको ज्यादा नंबर दे देती, लेकिन जो है मार्क्स तो देती.
मैं ये बता दूं सर, ये इनका कहना बिल्कुल गलत
ठीक है, आई हैव अंडरस्टूड.
स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी और सिलेक्शन कमेटी पे
इसी को
distinction-
थोड़ा सा मैं लेट मी गिव मी अ डेज टाइम. आई एम अगेन पोस्टिंग इट ऑन मंडे बिकॉज आई विल हैव टू कल आउट दैट मटेरियल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हिच आई फॉर्मड एन ओपिनियन कि ये
That is under
असिस्टेंट
2018 regulation.
अच्छा.
उसको इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट ने कंसीडर किया, that judgment
हाँ,
of इलाहाबाद हाई
yes,
कोर्ट
yes,
has
yes,
been
yes,
considered
yes.
by-
वो 2018 और 10 के रेगुलेशंस अलग अलग.
regulations.
हाँ, तो उतना दिखाइए ना, फिर वही तो मेरा वो इंप्रेशन हो सकता है
Same ही है,
2018 के.
2010 की रेगुलेशन है फिर लॉर्ड।
नहीं, 18 का रेगुलेशन एक मिनट थोड़ा सा ले आएंगे प्लीज. इसको मंडे को रख लेते हैं. वो मेरा वो डाउट एक बार क्लियर हो जाए, उसके बाद.
Very right. I don't think so any much change in either of, right?
Yes, yes. Because
This point was argued.
because somewhere that was argued, I saw that UGC categorically says that for the post. Therefore, I readily agreed to.
Greatly obliged, my lord.
That has
No
been
issues.
considered by Allahabad High Court.
Yes,
And Allahabad
yes.
High Court judgment has been considered by lordship in this case,
चलिए.
and that has been distinguished because here, my lord, the regulation specifically
हाँ,
provided.
तो उसको एक बार चेक करते हैं. 2018 का रेगुलेशन आपके पास है,
So
निकाल दीजिए उसको, मंडे को रख लेते हैं इसको.
निकाल देंगे. There's no issues. That should not be any.
देखिएगा.
Monday का is what- but it's- it-
मंडे को थोड़ा
Monday ना रखे से-
मंडे को थोड़ा डाउटफुल हो सकता है. थर्सडे रख देते हैं इसको.
हाँ.
It
Thursday कर दे sir.
my
Because,
presence may be doubtful.
Thursday कर ले sir. My law's presence is very important, my lord. Without that,
नहीं,
it'll
it is
get you.
it is review. Otherwise, it will not to any.
I get that. I get it. So the lighter side, sir.
Objection is that under the guise of
मैं-
re-arguing, but they are.
No. We aren't re-arguing any matter, please.
आपकी बात मान ली, लेकिन क्या था
तो-
मेरे दिमाग में वो डाउट 2018 के रेगुलेशन के कारण था शायद.
That I will.
मैंने आपसे खुद क्लियरली एडमिट किया that I dealt with this issue somewhere that for the post of assistant professor API को ऐड नहीं करना है.
नहीं है नहीं, वो कॉलम नहीं है ना सर उसमें.
ठीक है, तो उसको 2018 और 10 सामने होगा तो क्लियर हो जाएगा इतना.
ये 2010 ही देखा जाएगा, 18 कहाँ से देखा?
हाँ नहीं, आपके में तो 10 ही देखा जाएगा. 18 आपको फेवर करता है एक्चुअली.
नहीं, 18 भी 10 भी फेवर करता है सर. कॉलम खाली है सर. API का कॉलम खाली है.
समझ गया.
दिया हुआ है।
मैंने आपको तो बता दिया फेयरली कि मेरा डाउट कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट हुआ है.
समझ
So it's on
13th.
Thursday, 13th.
13th.
Wait, you're like.
13th नहीं, 13th कहाँ से आ गया? 11.
मतलब 11th is nice.
हाँ?
11th is Thursday.
हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ, 11, 11th.
11th, right. 11th.
देखिए,
ठीक है.
श्रीमती शोभा मेनन, learned counsel for the petitioner, assisted by Shri Rahul Chaubey, Shri Sanjay K. Agarwal, assisted by Shri Nema Dheeraj Tiwari, sorry, Gaurav Tiwari
R4 and R7.
for R4 and R7, Shri
Ishan
Ishan Soni for respond number
respond number 3.
3. Counsel for the petitioner, respondent herein is requested to bring on record copy of 2018 regulations as well. He may file, so Monday तक कर देंगे file by 8th July, list on 11 July 2024.
Obliged, my lords. Is it 2:30 or top of the list when it comes?
Top of the list, आपको जैसा convenient बताइए वैसा रख
At
लेंगे.
top of